Hello everyone, welcome back to EVS class. In the previous class, we learned about Dr. Baumann and his experiment. Today, I would like to show you some students. Let us see who they are. The topic name is Mangoes Round the Year. Here are the students, Aman, Needu and Preeti. What are they doing? They are eating and sharing their food. Aman has brought sweet puris in his tiffin. Needu has potato sabzi and Preeti has bindi. Bindi means lady's finger. See, when they eating food, Aman understood Needu's potato sabzi has spoiled. What is that spoiled? That means it is not suitable for eating. See, Preeti told to Needu, you don't eat that. If you eating that, you will fall sick. See, how did Aman know that potato sabzi got spoiled? Did he eat that food? No. The bad smell from that potato sabzi gave clue to that Aman. What are the signs of spoiled food? Tell me. The common signs are changes in color, changes in smell, changes in taste and changes in texture. See, if you wanted to get food for more days, you need to be preserved. What is food preservation? Food preservation is a technique to protect the food from microorganisms like fungus, bacteria, etc. What are the methods for food preservation? Can you tell? No. The first one is boiling. Heat the food or cook the food. Example, milk. Then second one, salting. To use salt to preserve the food or the process of salting the food. Example, gooseberry and all you can use like that. Next, sweetening. The process of sweeten the food. Example, jelly and all you can use like that. Next, drying. Make the food dry or let the food dry. Example, dry fruits, potato chips, etc. Next is canning. Preserve the food in an airtight container. Examples, jam, squash, etc. Next is pickling. Means used to make pickles. We know that mangoes, lemon, etc. used to make a pickle. Now, let me tell you an incident. I have a friend there. His name is Aman. 2 months before, his daughter Biji went to the market to buy bread. The shop was very crowded. So, the shopkeeper picked up a packet of bread and given to Biji. Biji looked the bread and returned it immediately. Why she has returned immediately? Do you know? What was the reason? Because the bread expiry date has over. When you buy anything from the market, what do you look for on the packet? Tell me. Yes, date of expiry, manufacture date, then weight and price, etc. we will check. So, why we want to check this expiry date? Because if the expiry date is over, it would become spoiled. How does the food get spoiled? Do you know? Here is an experiment that will show you how does the food get spoiled. You all have to do from home, right? Okay, take a piece of bread, then sprinkle few drops of water on it. Then keep it in a box and close the box. You have to see every day that box until you find that changes on it. After a few days, you can see some blackish growth on the bread. That means the bread has spoiled. What are the causes of spoiled food? Yes, fungus, bacteria, temperature, light, chemical reactions. These are the causes of food spoil. Food spoils quickly in a rainy and summer season. Now look at the image. What is this? Yes, mangoes. Do we get mangoes in every season? No. We get only certain season. Here is a way to preserve mangoes throughout the year. That is Mammidi Tandra or Aam Papad. Now I will show you how to make Mammidi Tandra or Aam Papad. Chitti Babu and Chinna Babu are going to help their mother to make Mammidi Tandra. Making Mammidi Tandra needs 4 weeks hard work. So they went to the market with their father to buy some ingredients for making Mammidi Tandra or Aam Papad. They brought jaggery, sugar, a mat woven from the leaves of palm tree, poles of kasuri nut tree, string made of coconut husk. Then Amma found a sunny place in the backyard. Both the brothers made a high platform by using poles. They spread out and tied the mat on the platform. Next day, Appa chose the most ripe mangoes. They took out the mango pulp into a large pot. Then they strained the pulp through a fine muslin cloth to remove the fibers from the pulp. Then Chitti Babu crushed the jaggery till there were no lumps. They added the jaggery and sugar in equal amount to the pulp. Chinna Babu mixed the jaggery and sugar well with a big spoon. Amma then spread this pulp into a thin layer over the mat. The thin layer was left to dry in the sun. In the evening, they covered the mat with a clean sari to avoid any dust. The next day, they again took out some mango pulp. They added jaggery and sugar into the pulp. Then they spread the pulp over the previous day's layer. This work was given to both the brothers. Both of them together spread many layers over it. For the next 4 weeks, they hoped that it would not rain. For 4 weeks, they added layer after layer until the jelly grew 4 centimeters thick and looked like a golden cake. After some days, Amma said, "The Mammidi Tandra is ready. We can take it out and cut into pieces tomorrow." The next day, the mat was brought down from the platform. Mammidi Tandra was cut into small pieces. The brothers tasted it. It was tasty. So, this is how the Mammidi Tandra is made. This is only we are learning in this class. See you on next class. Bye bye.